If I wanted to send this assembly to a vendor, or simply save this assembly locally from a server location, Pack Go makes this an easy task to launch. I can right-click on the assembly from the Windows Explorer, and select SOLIDWORKS Pack Go. Or I can also access the command from within SOLIDWORKS under File, Pack Go. When the Pack Go dialog box appears, you'll see the selected document at the top, along with all of its references. You can choose to include drawings as well as any simulation results you may have saved. The document, such as decals, appearances and scenes. I can choose to have all of the selected files saved into a folder, or I can have all the files zipped up together into a zip file.